What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the best digital night vision binocular setup you can put together for about $500, running dual Nightfox Prowl 2 digital night vision binoculars together on a bridge for a true binocular night vision setup. This isn't a full review on the Prowl 2, I've got a dedicated video on that linked down in the description, but what I want to cover today is what the experience is actually like running two of them together and what it adds over a standard single monocular setup, so let's get into it. To put this kit together, you're going to need two Nightfox Prowl 2s and the bridge. Setup only takes a few minutes, and once you've got everything screwed together on the bridge, you can connect it to your helmet and then you're good to go. One of the biggest advantages of running dual Prowl 2s over a single monocular is depth perception, and once you experience it, it's hard to go back. With a single monocular, you're working with a flat, two-dimensional image, which means your brain is constantly making guesses about distance and spatial relationships. You do adapt to it, but it takes mental effort and it slows you down. When you go binocular, both eyes are feeding your brain independent images simultaneously, and your brain does what it's designed to do. Curbs, steps, uneven terrain, obstacles, you just see them naturally rather than having to consciously process them. The practical impact on navigation is significant. Moving through the dark with a single monocular, especially over broken or unpredictable terrain, requires a level of deliberateness that limits your pace and your confidence. Running dual Prowl 2s changes that dynamic entirely. You move more like you would in daylight. Your steps are more intuitive, your situational awareness is wider, and your cognitive load drops because your depth cues are working for you instead of against you. For anyone doing extended nighttime movement, whether it's airsoft, hiking, hunting, or tactical applications, this dual setup isn't just a luxury upgrade, it's a genuine functional improvement that directly affects how fast and how safely you can move in the dark. Beyond depth perception, the overall user experience of running a binocular setup just feels more natural than a monocular in pretty much every way. Your eyes aren't fighting each other. One eye in night vision and one eye unaided is something you can get used to, but it always requires a level of adjustment. With both eyes covered, you get a more immersive, comfortable experience that's a lot easier to sustain over longer periods without fatigue. There's also something to be said for the confidence it gives you when you're moving around, whether that's navigating a trail on a hunt, moving through terrain on a hike, running drills at a shooting range, or playing airsoft and milsim, where fast movement and situational awareness can be the difference between winning and losing. This is a setup that genuinely performs across all of those use cases, and at a price point that's one of the most accessible ways to get into a true binocular night vision experience. So if any of those use cases apply to you, the dual Prowl 2 setup is definitely worth considering. Here it is compared to a handful of sub $500 digital night vision devices: the NVG40, the original Prowl, the NVG30, and the NVG50, and a PVS14, all tested with no IR illumination, which matters for those of you concerned with having a minimal IR signature. The Prowl 2 is a clear step up from the original Prowl 1 in low light performance and latency, and it holds its own well in the budget category. It doesn't quite match the NVG30 or the NVG50 in passive low light, but here's the thing. You can get two Prowl 2s and a bridge for roughly the same price as a single NVG50. If the binocular experience and depth perception are priorities for you, that's a hard trade-off to ignore. One more setup worth mentioning: if you're interested in adding thermal capability, Nightfox actually designed the Arctic thermal monocular on the same body platform as the Prowl 2, which means you can bridge the two together for a thermal fusion setup. Digital night vision in one eye for navigation and situational awareness, thermal in the other for detection. Your brain combines both images in real time, and the whole kit comes in at right around $700, making it one of the most affordable thermal fusion setups on the market. I've also got a full video on the channel breaking down that exact setup and how to configure it and what the footage looks like and how it performs. Links in the description. So that's the dual Nightfox Prowl 2 setup. For the price, the depth perception and navigation improvement you get over a single monocular is pretty hard to argue with. If you want to dig deeper into the Prowl 2 itself, check out the full review. And if a thermal fusion setup caught your attention, check out that video as well. All product links are in the description. Pick up everything at Goodnight Gear and use the code US10 at checkout to save 10%. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one.